Hello kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creations. Today we are going to learn about farm animal with Chhota Bheem. Hello kids, I am your Chhota Bheem. Today I am going to introduce you to some of my animal friends here on the farm. Let's start with our first friend. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it is a sheep. Say hello to sheep. This is the sheep. She loves grazing in the meadows and providing us with warm, cozy wool. And here is our next friend. Can you guess who it is? That's right, meet Daisy the cow. This is Daisy the cow. She gives us delicious milk which we use to make yummy cheese and creamy butter. Our next farm friend is, any guesses kid? Yes, you are right. Meet Henny the hen with cheeks, Penny and Dotty. These are Henny, Penny and Dotty the chickens. They lay delicious egg for us to enjoy for breakfast. And now let's meet our next farm friend. Guess who it is? That's right, meet Harmony the horse. This is the horse. She is strong and swift. She loves to gallop across the field with the wind in her mane. Now let's meet some of the most playful creatures on the farm. Can you guess who these little jumpers are? That's right, meet Bella the goat. God keep the grass trimmed and even provide us with milk for delicious cheese and yogurt. And now it's time to meet our friend with the curly tail. Can you guess who this jolly fellow is? That's correct. Meet Percy the pig. This is Pig. He is a friendly and curious pig who loves nothing more than launching in the mud and snacking on tasty treats. Pigs are very smart animals. They are excellent at finding food with their keen sense of smell. Now let's meet our loyal friend who is always by your side. Can you guess who this loyal companion is? That's right, meet Buddy the dog. This is the dog. He is our faithful farm dog who helps us with so many tasks around the farm. Dogs are incredibly helpful. They keep watch over the farm, help animals and even help us fetch tools. Now let's meet our water-loving creature on the farm. Can you guess who it is? That's right, meet Ducky the duck. Ducks are not only great swimmers, they are also expert foragers. They love to search for the tasty treats like insect, aquatic plants and even small fish. We hope you enjoyed the meeting all the wonderful farm animals today. Stay tuned for the more adventures. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share so you never miss any episode. Until next time, bye bye.